God! Oh God, give me that towel. Fuck that pole.
You're not gonna do it?
Dude, I can't reach the bottom of it.
We're only at 4 feet of water.
I'm not reaching it. Fucking 6'3". That thing's wrong. I don't know how to tell you that, Robert.
You not touch it right now?
No, I'm not touching the bottom.
Keep going, go down.
Damn it, the phones are still on. Mother. Oh God.
You not touch, really?
Cliff, you know there's not a ladder to get back in the boat.
Can you feel the
I'm just trying to get used to the water that's out panning out right now. I can't feel the bottom. I can't
go down
feel
real
my
quick.
legs in it.
Just go down real quick and see touch it. How deep it is, though.
Don't get hurt.
You're never full of water and it's just a new ball game.
Alright, come back here. Come back here. Sorry, get back here.
No, let's get back in. Turn the fucking cameras on. I'll pull myself off. I don't want that shit on tape, though. Somebody's going to see this little millimeter Peter that's going to come back up in the boat with me.
It's like
Your Peter a millimeter.
you're Peter.
Yes, it's cold as fuck. It's going to be at least, I mean, at most a quarter of an inch long right now.
I want to see it.
I don't want to.
Here, well, come on before it disappears.
Oh my God, before it disappears.
Oh, come on. Come on. I want to see
I
it.
wish I didn't have to worry about Facebook these days.
I want to see it.
No, you don't. I don't know if I could find it.
Well, I guess we didn't find the fishing pole.